Netflix has elected not to increase its acquisition offer for Paramount Global after Warner Bros. Discovery formally determined that Skydance Media's $31 per share proposal constitutes a company superior proposal under the terms of Paramount's existing merger agreement. Under that agreement, Netflix was granted a 4 business day matching right, a contractual window allowing it to revise or enhance its bid in response to a competing offer deemed superior by Paramount's board. That period has now elapsed without Netflix submitting a revised proposal, effectively clearing the path for Paramount to proceed with Skydance's offer, subject to customary closing conditions and shareholder approvals. With its bid off the table, Netflix indicated it will resume its previously authorized share repurchase program, signaling a pivot back toward capital returns and balance sheet discipline rather than pursuing large-scale M&A. The move suggests management sees greater value in buying back its own stock at current levels than engaging in a potentially escalating bidding war. For Paramount, the board's designation of Skydance's $31 per share bid as superior reflects a combination of valuation, deal certainty, and strategic alignment. The proposed transaction would significantly reshape Paramount's ownership structure while potentially unlocking synergies across film, television, and streaming operations. The development underscores the increasingly competitive landscape in media consolidation, where scale, intellectual property depth, and streaming profitability remain central strategic drivers. Investors are now closely watching next steps, including regulatory review timelines and the potential impact on capital allocation strategies across the sector.
Okay, so the stock is it rallied out on the news on that news. Okay, so as of yesterday during the regular session, okay, this news came out in the post-market session. Today is Friday the 27th of February. So this the news came out in the post-market session of yesterday the 26th. So but before then, during the regular session, the extrapolation was that yeah, it was going to be an update for Netflix, and that is what we're looking at right now. As a matter of fact, it's actually saying that it might remain strong up till up to Tuesday the third, of March. Yes, yes. After that, we might see a contraction. So, what we have here is a case of a consolidation. Yes, a case of a no, it's a case of a correction. So Netflix stock is correcting within a longer term bearish trend. We have the order here. We have the right order: the 10-day moving average, the 21-day moving average, the 40-day moving average, the 200-day moving average. So they are in the right order. So Netflix is overall it's correcting within a longer term bearish trend. But right now we can say also it's also showing in the midst of this correction. It's also showing strength. In the midst of it's also showing strength. It's been printing high prices since Tuesday the 24th. It's been printing high prices. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that we should expect a consolidation, yeah, up till early April. Okay, projections here are saying, let's see what we have: 79.95, 73.31, 69.21. Nothing to the upside at all. Nothing to the upside, but there might be. I mean, easily you can imagine that obviously the sky is the limit for the stock. We have here 86.91, 88.81, 89.99. These are previous projections that were in place as of early February, early this month. Yes. Volatility is what is expected up to early April based on its 10-day moving average. So whatever is going to happen between now and then is expected to affect the 10-day moving average. Okay, let's see now. Just quickly glance at its weekly chart. On the weekly chart, let's see what we have here. It is saying that this trend it picked up is going to remain in place up till Monday the 9th. Is that what we have on the daily chart? Let's see, Monday the 9th. Let's see, 5th. Yeah, I think to some extent we can say yes, that is what we have. We have an alignment. Don't be swayed by the decline in extrapolation. So the extrapolation on a weekly chart is this is pointing to Monday the 9th. So it is saying that it might remain elevated. So this is also yes, it's saying that it will be higher than what it was as of Tuesday, as of the 7th. I mean, as of Monday the second of March. Is that what we really have? I doubt. We don't have an alignment. I don't think so. No, we don't. We don't. Yeah, because here it's saying that by the ninth, somewhere here, the stock will be below what it is on the second. This is the second here. Second is here. So we don't completely have an alignment, but you could make an excuse that they are somewhat aligned because by the ninth it will still be elevated. So we don't absolutely have an alignment, but not absolutely wrong as well. Not absolutely divergent. They're not divergent that absolutely. Okay, so back to this daily chart. Okay, let's see now. Let's have a look at the 21-day moving average. We just want to see how they are aligning. We just want to see volatility is okay. Some stability is expected. Yeah, on the 21-day moving average. Okay, so not what may happen may not be that far reaching to affect the 21-day moving average. Okay, let's see what we have on its 40-day moving average. On the 40-day, we are expecting to see volatility. I mean, the momentum is expected to continue to increase. Okay, up till the 9th of April. So, is it because it still has to digest the gain it has printed of late? Mhm. Let's see now. Okay, so we have they're not aligning. The moving averages are not aligning. The extrapolations are not aligning. Let's see the 200-day moving average. Let's see what we have. Yeah, the reverse is the cases. They're all here and there. The 21-day is almost neutral. The 40-day is bullish. The 200-day is bearish. I mean, well, 200-day is bearish. Okay, yeah. So they're all divergent. But I was going to see if I think what it's trying to tell us is that the stock may go into a consolidation. That's what I indicated here. So when you have the moving averages all pointing in various directions, then you have a consolidation going on there. So that is what we should expect to see. Yeah, consolidation is what we should see. We may see. Okay, on the 4-hour chart, this has reflected what's going on right now. It's at $91.88. So this trend is expected to remain in place up till Monday the 2nd of March, pre-market session, and into the regular session as well. Okay, so see what you make of Netflix, and thank you very much for watching this video.